Good afternoon. This is CeoTrades with your market update after hours. It's April 21st, Wednesday, 4:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's look at the stocks we alerted this morning and see how they did. JetBlue had some great news today. It announced that it was having 7 new destinations along with its cooperations to work together with American Airlines. The U.S. Department of Transportation has dropped its review on both of these companies and noticed that they were not doing any harm. That's a great sign right there. However, the stock didn't move too much because the market overall is not doing too well. It's not performing greatly, but at least it's in the right move. So this is JetBlue. What else do we have here? Ford. Ford had a great move here. It's one of my great stocks as well. It jumped maybe 3 to 4%, if I had to guess, from 11.19 down here all the way to 11.73. That's not bad. American Airlines, the airline that has been in talks with JetBlue, it also went up about 3 to 5%. In general, VRAY, which I alerted this morning, and the last few days, it went from a low of 379 to 428. That is at least a 10 to 15% move, and this stock will go up and up. It will. Get ready for VRAY, also known as VRAY. What is it? What does it do? Look it up. Neo as well. I alerted this morning, and it went from a low of 36 all the way up to 38. You can see that right there, 36 to 38, gaining at least 15%. Norwegian Cruise Lines as well has had good news. As you can see, it's gone up at least 10 to 12%. I remember this morning seeing it, and it was about 5% up. And all of a sudden, look where it's at now, at least a 10% gain. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been consolidating right in here. You can see that it's in consolidation mode, but expect it to make a move probably the end of this week, maybe next week. I do expect it. I expect that move. So watch it coming. How about Ethereum? Let's find Ethereum on here. Ethereum, you can see, oh, it's making a great move. It's headed up. It's had at least a 10% increase today from the 2200s all the way to 2400. So that stock is separating from the move that Bitcoin has had because normally they work together. That's wild. Now, I wanted to show you two other stocks that I did alert this morning. One was, what's the name of it? Let's see here if I can search for it. Oh, well, Doge. Let's get Doge in here and see. Doge has gone up supposedly almost 4%. But for me, it's consolidating at the end of the day. I went up 4% here. Probably went up 4% when it started during this day. Let me just get a bigger map on here, graph. And that way you can see it much clearer. You can see where it started. I've been alerting this stock, and I know it's going to go up again somewhere in the 40s, and then it's going to drop. So be ready to cash in, as I said this morning, around 40 cents a share, maybe 39 cents a share, or maybe 42 cents a share. I don't know, but somewhere in that range. Just be ready to cash in. It might go up higher. I don't know, but I'm guessing that this stock will at least hit 42. If it looks like it's going to break, then keep riding it. But if it doesn't, then you should sell and cash in, make some profits. All right, let's see one more here, which was, I believe, what was it? Sleep Shine? I don't remember the name of it. There's one more stock that came out this morning that I was alerting, which people were asking, what is, let's see, is it sleep? Something shine here. I'm at a loss for memory. Sorry, guys, but I don't remember what the stock was. Moonshine, is it? SafeMoon, there it is. So SafeMoon, I alerted that this is a very tricky stock. It's a super low penny stock. It started out at 0.00, what was it? 0.00008 this morning. Now it's at 0.0000785. That's right, meaning it lost even a little bit more, I believe. Let's see here if I can get today's graph on here. Okay, here we go. So this is the day. It was up here, 0.008 when I alerted this morning, and it dropped a little bit more. It's had a drop of at least 45%. That's what I thought I saw up here. 51%. You've got to be careful on these stocks. You've got to be very careful. Why does this happen? Because there are people who bet on the long side, the green side, and there's people who bet on the red side. And you can see that the red is still going down. So be careful on these stocks, these newer stock crypto coins that are coming out. I don't know what their intentions are. I don't know what their goals. I haven't read the news, but I know that when they're starting out, it's usually skeptical. There's usually a lot of news that can affect the stock immediately, as you can tell what happened from this morning. So be careful, be safe, and the best account that you can invest in is your knowledge account. This is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Have a fantastic evening and talk to you tomorrow.